What's going on, guys? Back at it again on the river. We're out here with a buddy, and guys, today we're chasing that 20-incher. The venture keeps continuing. We're not stopping. We're getting her done. As Larry the Cable Guy said, get her done. Yeah, we're getting it done today, boys. But we're getting after a 20-incher. Beautiful conditions. The water's nice. It's hot. I'm glad we're in the river and not on a lake burning up somewhere. We're out here getting it done. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. I mean, this is pretty. I'm gonna throw some B-roll out here and let y'all see this. But it's beautiful. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for all the love and support to the channel. And we're gonna keep continuing with these river adventures. Y'all seem to like it a lot. So without further ado, let's get started. We'll see y'all here in a little bit. Golly, bro! Let's go! Woo! Nathan, I need a picture, man. Yeah. That's a good one, bro. That's a 2-pounder. Beautiful colors on him. Pretty. Beautiful shoalie. Heck yeah, dude. Beautiful shoalie. On the 6sense jerkbait, bro.
That's a good one right there, man. Heck yeah. That's a colored up fish too. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's amazing. Good too.
Alright, guys, we got a good one. Alright, ready?
Good one, man. Alright,
yeah. Ready?
Go. Yep, go ahead.
Oh man. Let's go, man. Give me some.
Dude. Man, that's awesome.
Here's a cinematic release on about a 2-pounder.
Yeah, man. That's awesome. On the jerkbait.
Come over here on this hole. There's giant.
I got a couple that hit the mag grab.
Really?
Yeah.
I know. I know, bro.
I had to run over here because I want to get a picture of it.
Oh, dude, I had another one. Yeah, I had another one. That's crazy. Got one. Hey, Nathan. Stop. 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 Golly, bro. Ooh, tiny guy. Hey, buddy. Yes, they have them sometimes. Might be too big of a jerk bait, but it's a good one. Hey man, I'm catching up. Look how beautiful the colors on this guy is. I mean, guys, that is a gorgeous shoalie. Well, let's get him back in the water. Beautiful. Heck yeah. Well, I thought there was, come on. Another one. That's not the size we're looking for, but that's something. Not the right size. Should be. Really? That's a good one. Decent. Whoa, there's a bigger one with him. Did you see that bigger one? Craziness, man. That was a big one that was with him. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Let's get him back in the water. All right, buddy. You gonna let me do a release on you? What's going on? Thank y'all for so much for staying to the end of the video. We got more shoal bass fishing coming y'all's way. Guys, we are pumping out these river videos. Hey, if y'all like them, give a like. It don't take long. Just throw a like up there. Drop a comment too. Drop a comment what's your favorite part of the video. That lets me know what parts I can work on and different stuff like that as well. Guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Fletch and Mike up at Westbrook. They're always setting me up right, whether it be my lights, whether it be my anchor trolley. Any kayak needs, they got you. Go check them out at Westbrook Supply Co. Guys, I want to just take the time and thank y'all all for subscribing, dropping likes, and sharing the content. Man, I love doing this for y'all. Love sharing all my experiences. And guys, we're on for the next adventure. So y'all know what to do. Stay tuned, and see y'all in the next one. And as always, keep it more lifestyle. We'll see y'all.